XRP, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. We see this down move, but as we can see, still the way it's moving is really corrective. And even we mentioned if you want to look for sell because we went in this, we mentioned maybe we get one more drop. We mentioned the only way we can have entry below this. Okay, but right now we keep the entry here, but again, having entry below this, easily price can tag and reverse. And for this case, if the price tag, we don't stay, because for usually we say 1 to 2 hours or maximum 3 hours. But for this case, if the price tag and we see it's not moving, even the first hour, we take out the trade. Because I was thinking to remove this one, but if anyone is looking for sell, still they can have the entry below this, because in case this one is turned to a correction for one more drop, whether they, if is there, I mean, if this one give a correction of like, whether they want to look for get the trade from that or having entry below this, it depends on them. Okay, because based on a higher time frame, we mentioned that still we can put this one in relative to this for one more drop. Okay, and the best things is if we want to get sell, and if this is the one is going to look to drop, the best is we get one more drop from there, any correction of flag we sell it. Okay, anyway, having entries can be option is not a really good trade, is very risky. And the only things we want to see that there is no much changes in compared to our analysis in my last video. Okay, what we're expecting, we're looking for long term, we're looking for buy, but still we can see the way it's moving is very corrective. That means still we can get one more drop, whether from here or this one turn to a bigger correction with the breakout of this. If we get one more drop, this is what we are explaining, can confirm this move is finished and the price can reverse from here, but it doesn't mean the price cannot start from here. Or confirmation is with this, with the drop, can give us better confidence that okay, next move is going to break this top, because if the price continue from here, may still we are within this move for one more drop. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we see this is the correction, and everything's we explained in my last analysis. Now we want to see whether we how we can look for trade. Okay, as I mentioned, if you want to look for sell, we mentioned about this, and if the price move a bit higher, then any sell from there, or based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, that means any sell will be short term sell. Okay, by the way, we prefer to not sell or buy within this range. If you want to sell, wait with the breakout of this line, this low, and if sell setup from there. Or if you want to buy, we wait for the breakout of this top. Okay, that means if you want to buy any sharp move with the flag, this is the only option right now, unless this correction change. Any sharp move with the flag above this top, we can look for buying with the breakout of this. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and our analysis is same as what I explained in my last video. Okay, we don't need to repeat again. And the way it's moving is very corrective. Within this correction, we cannot we don't buy or sell unless someone traders they want to trade based on lower time frame. For the 1 hour, based on 1 hour chart, any buy at least should be above this one with the flag, or any sell should be below this. Rather than that, we cannot get a really good trade. And we should know that may this one turn, the price can drop, turn to very expanding for one move up. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If we see any update, then I will share. Right now, everything is similar to what we analyzed in my last video. Only we were expecting the price to get one more drop. This is what we get, but there was no trade setup. Okay, and even if we refer to 15 minutes, as we can see, we have nothing's there. Okay, the only way we could trade, we could sell from this one. Okay, the very short term trade. Okay, by the way, we don't have any good trade setup. The only thing is we just follow the chart, and we need to get the confirmation if we want to look for buy. Right now we don't have any trade setup for buy. Okay, and if I see any update or any changes, then I will share. As I say, everything similar to what I analyzed in my last video. Thanks.